Are you looking for a Caribbean cruise for the summer of 2025? Well, I have a great rate for you that you need to jump on real soon before Celebrity takes it away from us. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, Rob from Cruise Seekers, and welcome to our Cruise Deal Show today. Today we have a great rate for the summer of 2025 on one of my favorite ships. But before I get into that information, I want to thank everybody who has become a member of this Cruise Seekers community recently. Thank you so much for doing it. We love having you folks here. We love having you engaging with us. And if you're not yet a member of the Cruise Seekers community, hey, think about subscribing, turn that notification bell on. This way you get notified every single time we do have new cruise deals, every single time we put out a new vlog, every single time we put out cruise tips. If you love those things, think about subscribing. Turn that notification bell on. Thank you so much for doing that. And while you're down there, hey, hit that like button. It really does help that YouTube algorithm. It does help other people find this channel, and it does help this community grow. Well, with that out of the way, let's talk a little bit about this great cruise deal that I have for the summer of 2025. Now, we want to jump on this quick because Celebrity takes away our group rates at 120 days from sailing. So you have a few more months left to get this thing sold out. Let's talk about it. So the cruise deal I have is on the Celebrity Reflection for July 26th of 2025. The Celebrity Reflection is one of my favorite ships. It is the newest of the Solstice class ships. It has all the things you want on a ship, and it's a great size of ship too. You will love the Reflection and all the things it has on offer. Now, what we are going to be doing on this cruise is a 6-night Western Caribbean cruise. It's a wonderful cruise going to Key West, Florida, one of my favorite ports. And then you're going to be going to Cozumel, another one of my favorite ports. There's some great beach locations that you can go and have a wonderful beach day at a great beach resort. And then finally, you're going to go to Grand Cayman, another great location. It's a really, really nice Western Caribbean itinerary. I think you're going to love this itinerary too once you do it. So now that we know the ship, now that we know the sail date, and now we know exactly what the itinerary is, let's get into the pricing. So the pricing I'm about to give you is for 2 people in the cabin. That is a stateroom price. It's not per person. You're going to have a $500 refundable deposit with this cruise. As I said, it's a refundable deposit. So if things change and you need to kind of cancel, you'll get all your money back. And finally, you're also going to get your tips included with this price, as well as the Celebrity all-included plan, which is your classic drinks and your basic unlimited Wi-Fi. So it's a really nice all-included feel with this price point. Now, we have only concierge class verandas for this pricing. And the nice thing about concierge class, you get some nice layered amenities on top of the veranda. Plus, you'll get to go up the Celebrity loyalty tiers a little bit faster because you're going to get 5 points per night instead of 3. So that's another nice thing about concierge class. All right, so we got 2 different concierge classes. We got the standard and we got the prime concierge. The price for the standard concierge class is $2,887.08, and you're also going to get $50 on board credit. Now, that's a huge savings versus the Celebrity website, because if you went to there and you did the same exact thing, you put in a concierge class cabin, you say, I want the all-included, I want a refundable deposit, and add the tips in, they're going to want $5,161.60. Now, that's a huge savings of over $2,000, $2,274.52 to be exact. A huge, huge savings. Now, we also have prime concierge. These are in a little bit better location on the ship. Not that the standard concierge are any bad locations. They're really good locations too. But if you want a little bit better location versus the standard concierge, you can go with that. The price for the concierge primes are $2,927.08 with $50 on board credit. Now, if you went to the Celebrity website, you did the same thing. You got the prime concierge with the all-included package with the refundable deposit and also the tips included. They're going to want $5,209.60. Again, another huge savings of $2,282.52. These are crazy good prices. So you're wondering, how do I get on this Reflection cruise for July 26, 2025? Well, there are 3 ways you can do that. The first and easiest way to do it is to give me a call at the number right there down below. When you do that, hit extension 1. That will bring you to me, Robert. If you hit extension 2, that will bring you to my wife, Cheryl. Now, if you do not want to give us a call, I will leave a link in the description down below. Click that link, fill out the travel interest survey form. Let us know you want to go on the Reflection for July 26, 2025 in that travel interest survey form, and we will get back to you as soon as we possibly can. Now, if you're sitting in your living room and you're watching YouTube and you do not have access to that keyboard or a mouse, well, I will put a QR code up right over there. If you scan that with your phone, it will bring you to that same travel interest survey form. Fill it out. Let us know you want to go on the Reflection for July 26, 2025, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. So there you go, folks. That is our cruise deal for today. It is a great cruise on the Celebrity Reflection going to 3 wonderful ports. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hey, give it a big thumbs up. Like I said before, it does help the YouTube algorithm. It does help other people find this channel so that they can cruise along with you. And if you have been watching thus far and you still have not become a member of this Cruise Seekers crew, hey, think about subscribing, turn that notification bell on. We would love to have you here with us. Thank you for doing that. If you've been on the Reflection, have you been to Key West? Have you done a 6-night Western Caribbean cruise with this specific itinerary? We would love to hear from you in the comments section. We love comments. We love engaging with you folks in the comments section. It also does help other people find this channel when you engage with us in the comments section. So, hey, leave a comment. We would love to talk to you down there. So until we talk again next time, this is Rob from Cruise Seekers reminding each and every one of you to always seek the seas. Bye now.